Medellin cartel, puñeta. Medellin cartel. Oh, sick, man. Me also have a ski mask. What do you think, bro? What's your name?
Jade.
Jade.
This is Cape Town for you, buddy.
Oh.
This is the local.
You don't have to blood.
Don't let it all.
Proud.
You're advertising, you're promoting.
Yeah, of course. There's no wood inside.
No inside.
The one thing is not wood.
Hello, yeah, how are you? Hi! Guys, now we're at Deep the Cape Flats and that's my first impression. Oh, watermelon made in Cape Town. And how old are you?
18.
I'm 19, turning 20
man.
next week.
Oh, I feel old, man. Okay.
Buddy,
You leaving?
I'm leaving.
That's it? Ah, that's your house?
It's my house, man.
Can you leave us?
You're safe. Like I told you, I'm Bala.
Bala.
So you tell them you know Bala.
B or a
B.
Bala.
Bala.
Nice to meet you, Bala.
Nice to meet
and thank you for
you.
the watermelon, man. So guys, we met now the first crew. They show me some things I cannot show you in the video because they're legal stuff. But apparently now I'm safe because I'm with the crew. Wow, man, bro, you have good energy, man. I like it, man.